Hello, today we're talking about decluttering hair products. Do you have a lot of hair products? If your hair is curly, I know that you have a lot of hair products because when I want to wear my hair curly, I know it takes a lot of hair products. There's gel and there's special conditioner and there's special towels and there's special hair dryers and there's special everything, clips. So if you have a lot of hair products, go through them and pick out the ones you really like and get rid of the ones that didn't work out. If you don't have curly hair and you just have straight hair like I'm wearing mine now, you might just have 2 or 3 products. But I bet you have more than 2 or 3 products. You're just using 2 or 3 products. So go through your hair products and get rid of them. Make room in your house by getting rid of hair products. And not just hair products, hair ties, hair clips, barrettes, bands, all the things that we use. You know, your little girls have all that stuff. Well, guess what? You're a big girl and you have all that stuff too, just grown-up versions. So go through it today and get rid of some of that stuff. Or if not today, sometime. Start getting rid of it. Have a wonderful day. And remember that it's a great day.